Ah.
What is the matter, Big Bird?
Grover, I'm really worried about Romney defunding PBS.
Oh, me too, Big Bird. Where will I go to get my Super Grover cape cleaned?
No, not that, Grover. How will we indoctrinate all the children with all our liberal falsehoods and slowly make them believe that they can trust government officials over their own parents? How can we do that if we don't have a TV show anymore?
Oh, Big Bird, most of the major networks are doing that anyway. Even the mouse undermines parental authority over on his network shows. No, we don't. We love families. Don't we, Pluto? Whoop, whoop. Beat it, mouse. This is a federally subsidized discussion. Big Bird, there's a plan. Hey, wait, shh. Here comes Ernie.
Romney, Ryan, they're the one. Ernie's ready to have some fun. Shh, 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 shh.
What was that? I thought Ernie loved it here.
Big Bird, Ernie sees this as a chance to break his contract and go out and get on another show.
What show?
Well, with the dark hair and the year-round tan, Ernie thinks he's perfect for a Jersey Shore spin-off show.
Really? Wow. Well, he and Bert, they always seem so, well, close.
Let's not go there.
Okay, so what is this plan?
Okay, so we use the moneymaker. Hold on. I see Cookie Monster coming. Romney cookies, Romney cookies.
Oh no, not him too. What's the deal?
He has an interview with Glenn Beck's parody, Pumpernickel Boulevard.
Why on earth would he want to be on a Roku channel?
Have you seen a picture of Beck? Cookie figures that a bakery truck rolls into that studio every morning.
Well, birdseed. Oh, sorry, lost my composure, Grover. Now what is this plan?
Again, we use the moneymaker.
No, not him, Grover. Why is it always him?
He's cute and he sells, Bird. Get over it. We have a new version of his doll for this Christmas. It will be the biggest ever. He's red and ready to be mass-produced in China for very little money. You want to see him?
I'm afraid to see.
It's the Katy Perry California Tickle Me Elmo! Yay!
California Elmo, he likes big government. Subsidies on bottom, red fur up top. Well, that's wrong.